I had little tears in my eyes.
Thank you.
It's my very pleasant duty to close this festival. Of course, above all, I think we should thank the wonderful audience that we've had for these 3 days. Well, my job is fairly easy because it's all going to be written there and I will just be reading it out. But let me, if you can start, and I could then start. First of all, Brigadier Vikram Sharma and Ruchi, Somya and Ananya, the brigade commander of Kasoli, who made this really possible. Then the members of the managing committee of the Kasoli Club, who are all there. I can quickly read them out. Arjun Bedi, Abhilash Kapoor, Ashwini Luthra, Balinder Singh Grewal, Brigadier Jasbir Baba, Jasbir Likhari, Jaspal Anand, Colonel Sudhanshu Randev, T.S. Anand. Now this is General Anant Narayan. He was brigadier when the Lit Fest began. He was the man who began the Lit Fest for us. And special thanks to Anand and Aparna, who I think are somewhere here. Then the earlier brigadiers, please go back. Earlier brigadiers I'd like to have. No, in between. Brigadier Gogi Reddy and Lakshmi, Brigadier Pavan Lamba and Harleen, Brigadier and Mrs. Deepak Sharma, the earlier brigadiers who helped us with the Lit Fest. This we've seen. Colonel and Mrs. Hitesh Chopra, the secretary of the club. He's been the secretary, I think, for 4 years, or 4 Lit Fests. Very efficiently done. We've got that. Our generous members of Kasoli Club, we've already mentioned, I think, who comprise a large part of this audience. Each and every person of the wonderful club staff, housekeeping, food and beverage, reception and gate staff, I think the number I read somewhere, a total of 200. One of the best clubs in the country. And then our generous sponsors, Himachal Government and Purnima Chauhan, who was here yesterday. I don't know that she is here today. Charanjit Singh of CJ International, that is the Meridian Hotel, NRB Bearings, and Harshbeen Zaveri. They are very old friends of my father's, Trilochan and Bir Sani, Sir Soba Singh Charitable Trust, Mahi Mehra, Quantum Papers, Yusuf and Farida Hamid Foundation. They run Cipla, the famous company, pharmaceutical company, Supertech, DP Singh, Prem Shankar Jha, who had to leave us just this morning, Kartar Lalwani, Mayor Organics, Kim Lali, Rita and Arun Dugal, Juzar and Juzar Khorakiwala of Biostad India, Tirochan B. Sani I've already mentioned, the Sahitya Academy, Kanak Agri Farms, and Prabha Khaitan Foundation and Kalam. Thank you all. And our accommodation partners, Birds View and Romy Gill, Cloud9 and Neeraj Ghai, Gyatri and Rajiv Luthra, ITC of Rocky and Sonu Chimney, where you went last night. Some of you went last night. Jags and Neelam Luthra, Kasoli Castle and Rajinder Singh, Rajesh Dogar, Ludlow Castle, Brigadier Dhaliwal, Manju Deshbir, Meera Bajaj, Mystic Pines, and Rishma Gill, Seven Pines, and Neela Mehta, White Mushroom, and Monisha Bhaskar. Our hosts, Meera Bajaj, Rajinder Singh, Sheila and Banti Pasricha. I think we are all here. And thank you for the cheers. Somalia India, Kingfisher Beer, Colonel and Mrs. Rathore, the Glenlivet. And Reva Singh, sorry, Sommelier India of Reva Singh, yeah. And you've just, that shawl that was auctioned just now, that comes from 1469, our gift partner, Kiran and Harinder Singh. They've been reviving Pulkari. Beautiful shop they've got here. Our radio partner, Big FM, Gitish Chopra, Sulakshmi Bali, Gaurav and Mahajan. Ecology partner, Grow More Trees, Sudha and Pradeep Shah. They give out these certificates to the speakers. A tree is planted in the name of each speaker. The media which has supported us with extensive coverage of the Lit Fest. The warm people of Kasoli, I needn't mention that, but it's all there. Our speakers, of course, all of whom are there. Gitanjali, I think she came briefly, but she's our compare. Gitanjali, you did such a marvelous job. A compare without compare. Of course, I mentioned that right in the beginning, our audience. I don't think we've had such a big audience ever in our Lit Fest. We had to bring 100 extra chairs, and even those were filled up when Navjot Singh Sidhu had his session, and there was standing room only. The entertainers, Sonal Kalra, some of you might have heard, Salima Raza, Hassan Ali, SK Classical and Fusion, Swastik the band. Marvelous music we had. And of course, all our volunteers, led by Ashima Bhatt. Ashima has been a constant with us. She takes time off from her work as a teacher in Sanar. Sanya Chopra and a team from Sholin University. There were actually 17 of them. They can't all be here, but there were 17 volunteers that we got. Live streaming of KSLF on YouTube, social media and website. Ashwini Kumar, who's been all over the place. Prabhakaran, Pavan Sahota. Children of Himachal and Punjab Joy of Learning Competition. Purnima Chauhan, who sponsored that, and Department of Language, Art and Culture, Himachal Pradesh. Leela Kuti, Rachna Sharma, the Education World, Dilip and Bharti Thakur, and our 10,000 school kids from Himachal and Punjab. They took part, 10,000 kids took part in the competition. Ajay Bhatia, please, he came earlier, please bring him back again on the screen. He'll come back, okay. Kishi and Nina Singh and Ajay Bhardwaj. Ajay, who's given us so much publicity in the paper, he now edits the Daily Post. Kishi, our motoring expert. And our photographer, Ajay Bhatia, who's been doing it every year and who's been around. Where's Ajay? Okay, there's Ajay. Yeah. Our content advisors, General Syed Atta Hasnain, Nirupama Dutt, Squadron Leader Rana Chinna, Ajay Shukla, Harinder, Shami Baveja, Mala Dayal, that's my sister, Dolly Thakur, Madhu Bedi. Dolly is somewhere here, Dadesh is on the front row. Are we going back again to that?
No, they're all there.
Okay, our event team, Times of India, Amit Sood, who heads the Times of India team.
Amit, come up in front. Come on, all of you. Dheeraj, come on. Come on, Dheeraj. Come on.
He's a rather good-looking fellow, as you can see. Amit, Hari Bali, Dheeraj Tyagi, Dheeraj there, Pooja Madan, Jaisima, Rajat Sood and Nikhil. Where is Rajat?
Come on, Rajat.
Yeah. He looked after all our transport and did a marvelous job. So this is the event team, Times of India event team. Okay. Is that the lot?
There's a new slide.
Okay. Travel management. We've done Amar Bindra, Infotrans, TransAsia Travel, Ghazal Quatra, event design, Rahul Goba of the Saint. He's done a marvelous job of designing all the brochures, everything. And our book partner, I hope they've been happy with the number of books that have been sold. Full Circle, Poonam and Priyanka Malhotra, Ashish Mathur, Pooja Sood. I know that Wendell Roderick's books were entirely sold out, and so was Gurcharan Das.
Geeta Gopal also sold out.
Geeta Gopal's books were also sold out. Yeah.
And lots of others.
And our publishers, I won't mention, shall I mention the names? No, we don't need.
Yeah, just Vasundhara especially because she helped us with the theme of the festival.
Okay, Vasundhara helped us with the theme of the festival. Okay, but there are lots of publishers there. Okay, we've had that. And the Khushwant Singh Foundation trustees, Anand and Deepa Sethi, Purushottam Dheer, Ashok Chopra, Suneet Veer Singh, who is here with us, Mrs. Charanjit Singh, myself, and Varun Kathoria. And these are our friends who have been helping us all the time. Tilak and Supriya Mukherjee, Mani Shankaraya, one of my oldest friends who's been coming here almost every year, I think. Jayanti Gupte, Preeta Maitra, Rita Wahi. Thank you again. Thank you very much. And I hope to see you all again roughly at this time of the year. We don't know the exact dates yet, but it'll be the weekend after Sanar Founders Day.
Come up now. Come up now.
Okay, Gitanjali. Ashima has to be thanked once again with the volunteers. Good. With me, of course. Yeah, of course, with me.
I will. Thank you.
And to Ashwini.
Yes.
Thank you.
It's a good idea. What is it all about?
Can you hear me now? Yeah. So an announcement for all the speakers. There is transportation at the gate. There are cars waiting there for you to take you to lunch. So please use that facility.
Just 1 second, people. Volunteers. Volunteers. ये रिकॉर्डिंग कहाँ से मिलेगी हमें?